Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to create notes in Request. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So open Request on your desktop. Lines of the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Now, scroll down on the left panel, you will find the Raycast Notes tab. Click on it, and here click on Create Note. So it's creating a new note, so we're going to add a record key here. For example, let's make Control A, so this will create us a new note. Let's type in Control A, and here it is. So here we're gonna write, and here this is our node component, so click on this to exit Action Panel, or click on this plus button to create another new node. So this is how to create nodes in Request. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just leave a comment.